Are you planning an office renovation or moving to a new space in San Diego? Crisan Junk Removal offers expert office demolition services to make your transition smooth and hassle-free. We handle everything from tearing down partitions and cubicles to removing outdated furniture and fixtures. Whether you're downsizing or upgrading, our professional team ensures your office is dismantled efficiently and safely, so you can focus on your next steps. At Crisan Junk Removal, we specialize in office demolition services that prioritize both speed and precision. We understand that time is money, and that's why we work quickly to remove unwanted office structures and materials, leaving your space ready for the next phase of development. Our team is experienced in handling all types of office environments, from small spaces to large corporate offices, ensuring we meet your needs with minimal disruption. Ready to clear out your office and start fresh? Let Crisan Junk Removal handle your office demolition project with professionalism and care. We're fully licensed and insured, providing you with peace of mind throughout the process. Call us today or visit our website to schedule your office demolition service, and let's get your San Diego office space ready for its next chapter.